homegirl Daphne Brown with Beyond the Home Realty, and I have some exciting news and some exciting people that I want to introduce to you in case you don't know them. We have Logan over here and we have Barry, and they're the two supermen here in Riverwood Ranch in Angleton, Texas, and they have some fantastic news to deliver to you. So I'll turn it over to them now.
We'll go with Thor first.
So what we have coming up is a home buyer program that we're going to be throwing on at our model home here in Angleton, Texas at Riverwood Ranch. We're going to be teaching you everything you need to know, whether you already own a home and you'd like to move, or if you're a first-time home buyer and would like to learn more about buying a home. Also, we're going to be having one of our representatives, Lejeune, come out with our HBC buyer program. He's going to be walking you through everything you need to do to repair your credit to get where you need to be able to afford that first purchase for you.
We'll have one of our loan officers here from DHI Mortgage that can answer questions about the mortgage process. There's always a lot of differences from year to year when mortgages are done, and he's going to be here to expertly answer those for you.
And the event is going to be...
We're going to have it on March 23rd, Sunday, from 2 to 4 p.m. right here in our model home. The address is going to be 13 Robin Court in Angleton, Texas. R-O-B-I-N. Robin Court, 13 Robin Court, right here. Come prepared to ask any question you need to. There are no dumb questions.
We can't wait to see you guys. Come on out.
Come on
out. The plan is set, and we're excited to invite you to our exclusive homeownership seminar. Watch as sold signs go up and imagine your dream home becoming a reality. Whether you're buying for the first time, as Logan stated, or exploring new opportunities for new homes, this is your chance to take the next step. At the seminar, you'll receive valuable information from budget sheets to comprehensive homebuyer guides, giving you all the tools and all the things that you need to make your home ownership journey a success. And don't worry, we've got you covered with delicious light bites to help keep you energized while you learn, and learn. Spaces are limited, so please be sure to RSVP today by clicking the link in the description below. We can't wait to see you there and help you take the next step towards home ownership. See you soon.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine.